out, our writing skills can really affect how people perceive you and how seriously they take both you and your ideas. We all wish we could write better. It might be something as fundamental as wishing we could remember the small grammatical rules from elementary school, or we might just feel more comfortable writing as a chemist in your own field, and a lot less comfortable presenting to clients or writing reports for our boss. And of course, there are a lot of very common mistakes that we may be making without even realizing, and that can really affect how people perceive the quality of our work.
We hope you'll learn a few new things and perhaps some hacks to take away. We hope you'll become more conscious about your writing. But more importantly, we hope we can help you to think critically about how to identify and communicate the most important messages when you're trying to translate complex subjects for a variety of audiences.
Honestly, we think everybody would benefit from this topic. It could be someone from the generation for whom grammar wasn't taught in school. It may be colleagues who can write complex chemistry or toxicology papers, or are intimidated by writing for a popular audience. We also don't realize what kind of cultural differences we might encounter in how we write emails and academic papers, and those are all things we'll cover in this workshop.